Let's try different iced coffees. Wendy's. Who goes to a Wendy's and asks for coffee? Okay, I'm not even a coffee drinker. I'm more of a chai guy. This is actually pretty good. It reminds me of an iced cap, but it's all melted and it's smooth. I don't know, they probably put a lot of sugar in here because it is sweet. 8.1 out of 10. Starbucks. It just tastes like it's more water and then it's super bitter. And it just seems like the water and coffee are separate. I first get a lot of water and then the coffee taste comes after and it's really bitter. I'm not a coffee connoisseur or a coffee snob, so I don't know what kind of beans they use. The one in Wendy's was nice. It's also a bit sweet. I don't know if that's even coffee at that point, but 2.1 out of 10. Tim Hortons. All right, represent Canada. Let's see. It kind of reminds me of Wendy's, but just not as much coffee flavor. If you guys know what kind of beans each of these places use, let me know in the comments. I honestly don't know. 7.3 out of 10. McDonald's. Last but not least. Not bad. It's a bit sweet. I can taste the coffee flavor. It is better than Timmy's, but it's still not better than Wendy's. It's not bitter. 7.8 out of 10. I always thought about getting into the coffee game, so I might get myself one of those machines. I've also seen from my friend Chai Guy that you can make chai out of an espresso machine, so I want to experiment with that.